Hello guys. If you are just joining, please drop comment. Type, I see you, Marvis Lion, you're a great man. Type, say no to visa fraud. Say no to visa fraud. Say no to visa fraud. Type one for the comment section. Say no to visa racketeering. 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 Say no to visa fraud. MD Esosa Mama, I greet you. Say no to visa fraud. Say no to visa fraud. Say no to 419. Say no to 419. Say no to juju musician. Say no to visa fraud. Say no to visa fraud. I recall make I bring something come out from my phone. If you know you are here to join me to say no to visa fraud, visa racketeering, I want you to share this live broadcast. Share this update. We are going to be treating Otasowere matter today. Otasowere Sylvester. Otasowere Sylvester is one of the victims of Destiny Ebagua. Share this update so it will get to everybody, so that anybody who still fall for visa scam, na mugu. You see also, all these are payment slips sent to Destiny and Destiny's agents. All these are payment slips. People had them money. So, as you all know, I told you guys earlier today that I received a letter from Destiny's lawyer in the UK. You see also? So, my address is now with the APC. They all now have my address. Now only God then will save me. When all your haters, people that want you dead, now know your address. That means any of the fear park for front of my house now, they observe me. I no go know. But now God now get power pass. Thank God say, since I come this country, I never hide one day. Or may I call it do videos. That time if I just do video like this, they'll say, no, how about you are exposing yourself? Don't be recording from your house. Don't be posting video of your car plate number. I just look at the laugh. People will call me that time to say, how about no be like this, so no they post, don't let them know your address. So I tell them, say, white horse or white elephant has no hiding place. I tell people, then they draw my attention to those, they advise me, not because they hate me or they wish me evil. No. They know that people are evil. As we get evil men for abroad, that's me for Nigeria, that's why we still get evil men for abroad. In fact, they are even worse than many for here pass. You know why? Especially those when don't come, when we say up to now, they are still suffering. They are still struggling to pay rent. They don't get house. They don't get mortgage. They are still struggling. So when they see this new set of jackpot people, they do well. Then they vex well. Don't talk about the ones who can't get political interest. Maybe they be APC. Or they be Tony Kabaka loyalists. They be Oshomole boys. And they please me they drag all those men. And if they commit crime here, they do as a matter here, they die people money. They do market business here, they die for money. If they reach Benin, all these men, they give them cover. So, if because they mention those ones, they call them, yeah, how about the house anyway? Don't be town on a day. We don't fit quack the boy. You go for people when they use me to the shine. Albert, I know where they for leads. Albert, I know where they for leads. And the way I will. If you don't do evil, you will not die mysteriously. So now my driving principle be that. I told them, I said, I cannot hide. Share this video. Invite everybody come here. I said I cannot hide. I'm a popular person. I don't feel a drive or I can't post video. I can't use something to cover my plate number. I said, if people want to know my plate number, if I know when you even hide your plate number, they will even quick get them. Because they will call their people one day here to say, I bet we need that bad plate number because they always hide them. Or I fear to do video in front of my house. Just if you are a popular person, everybody will know where you stay. But here, for abroad, not be only for Nigeria, God they protect you now. But for here, God and government now they protect us for here. So it's better here compared to Nigeria. Nigeria, this police don't really protect anybody. They are just doing business. So everybody they rely on God. But here, the system protects you because the security agencies here they work. In fact, vehicles when not they branded with police this thing, but they do police work. Not many pass the branded vehicles. So no fear. But like I tell people, as I did this abroad, so I don't want to go police station, go report anybody. But anything will make me go police station, I don't go here, I beg. I don't go here, maybe we cut talk Ganota Arowa, a dead mahi. A dead should not push me. I don't feel they dodge bullet for Benin, because they dodge bullet for abroad. Because I don't say God forbid, if anything happen to me here, the matter will be thoroughly investigated. Not like Nigeria. When say the person don't go. So I try to say, I don't feel hide. So my address now there with APC people. They don't turn my door to where they call it dump court papers. Now one be this letters. Now the other one be this. This one they very useless. Oh God. So when they don't say mention the person's name. Why I want to mention the person's name? The person is a serious person because he send me serious letter from lawyer. Be like what they your type for the be like paper they your type for this thing. Ogbelaka. Say why address again? Why the post office here? I want to address. This is not even Nigeria standard of notice of cease and desist. This is not even Nigeria standard. This is Ogbelaka standard. Now we'll talk of UK standard. This one are UK standard. See the difference now. See, see this one. See, see, 2 pages. You don't see also? See, 2 pages. And this was still there. This was still there detailed. This one had a Destiny lawyer said come. Destiny Ebagua. One. At least this was still there. When they read that here, I not be lawyer, but I can say they still try for this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. They still try for this one. So what the people here they do now? You go sit down for door. I know you they sleep for bed. Now you sit down for door. In case you later they call and they collect them. Me don't even retire for the season diseased. I beg, more they go court. I don't tire. So everywhere good. Am I scared? The answer is no. I'm not scared of all this. The answer is no. I have 4 court cases in Nigeria. Where in some cases they see judge before judge can't give judgments. They often go see judge first. I don't fear for that one. The 4 court cases I borrow and go one corner. I'm not bragging, no. So they decide to go withdraw the cases when they later know the truth. Say I not be their problem. They go withdraw. And shout out to them. You understand? They go withdraw them. They go withdraw the case. Obiegban withdraw case against me. My leader, Tawakerele, withdraw case against me. Deko, after some time, after he tracked below me, withdraw the case against me. You know? Because I don't just come online to talk nonsense. I don't be Frank Victor or the Monica or the Ranomigo. No. Facts. So Destiny said the letter they sent to me that he said he's not a fraudster. Now is Destiny into visa fraud? You know when they watch me, so I need your yes or no. Because I don't know where this video they go. You that is watching me, you will know Destiny. You will know how many people don't call her Destiny. Even the Monica said they don't first talk this visa matter. The Frank. Is he into visa fraud? Yes or no? Has he been invited for visa fraud? Yes or no? Has he refunded people's money? Yes or no? Do we have evidence against him? Yes or no? Now, after the wife, Edward, bailed him out of a very big stress, because that girl matter Sarah for consumed Destiny well, because the girl was ready to go any length, because she don't really see evidence. And people will come to me, they got their money back. You don't be like the Frank. Any in my year school, so any articulate issues. Education don't be scam. So she felt go there, she don't really get justice. She can't say people get justice for my child. She came. And the first thing I asked for, evidence. I have all Destiny Ebagua's bank details. The 3 banks where they use. Plus the entertainment company, personal accounts, everything that they collect money from people. That's not how travel agency work. Since I don't want to share this video, I beg, make I just share on myself. Guys, share this update now. Why don't they do like this? So I'll drop some kind of social updates for here today. So after Edward, Destiny's wife, did a video, she begged me. She said, I beg, make I take her easy with her husband. Say if any issue they made me with her, they resolve her on the coded level. Because you know what? For notice, I call it slow down for the guy matters. Okay, make I just slow down. It don't pay some people. The reason why I talk say, and I give some people a few days to tell me whether Destiny they owe them, because I wanted to back out. You understand? I wanted to back out. I want y'all's rest. Ooh. Guys, is the network okay now? Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Check. If network bad like that for Facebook, then I'll go YouTube. If it bad for YouTube, then I'll go Facebook. Please, is the network okay now? Okay, they say better. So, Edward can't do everything to try to save Destiny. So, I call it okay, make I just slow down. I don't know go push Destiny to tell a lawyer for UK for year to write me say they want carry me go court. Say I get 3 days to respond. What they say make I do? They say make I pull down all the videos why they talk say Destiny they do visa fraud. The lawyer said I defamed his character. Say I spoil name. Now because I spoil name, it don't affect am well. It's okay. No wahala. Since I spoil name, no wahala. Maybe before the 3 days I will act. If I don't act, they know what to do. So I don't know who ginger Destiny to take this step. I can always tell people. Not when they bring the problem. But you don't go blame me if I defend myself. I will defend myself. Now, make we go one matter. I beg, if you don't say Destiny, I don't clear 6 people. The last person got his money yesterday, 2 million. The 6 people in my groups, in my group have all received their money. I'm not boasting. I not be all this illiterate when they do saga. We don't get results. The 6 people that came to me that Destiny is owing them, that they gave Destiny money for visa, they came with evidence. Destiny has paid them all. 100%. Why that are not come out? Even the visa fee, when they pay to UK this thing, Destiny pay all joy. They said my audio is messy. What did the happen again today now? Please, is my audio okay? Facebook and YouTube. I'm gonna let this broadcast flow now. Come, you will say, my this, go check your network. Oh, I beg. Go and check your network. So they came with evidence. I fight the matter. Destiny don't pay the 6 of them. So I'm compiling fresh 5 names. I need another 5, maybe 10 or 20. You must come with evidence. And I will tell you what to do to get your money. There is a petition against Destiny before the EFCC. There is a petition against Destiny at the State Police Command. There is a petition against Destiny and Esther at NAPTIP. They need to explain to the federal government who gave them license to be doing visa and human trafficking. And let me say to Destiny and his lawyer here and his gang, Destiny will give account of everybody who don't follow Accordance UK for tour. Esther will give account of everybody who don't follow her, including her children where they here. I am going to defend myself. I'm going to exonerate myself. So in doing that, if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. If I lose, I don't go to say about OBAZEE charge to court for credit card fraud. Or about OBAZEE charge to Navy for child molestation. Or about OBAZEE charge Navy for Azamata. About OBAZEE charge for fighting for the oppressed. For fighting for visa victims. So I will defend myself. Today, we are going to be treating the case of Otaso, where the person where Destiny collect money from say he want carry and join Idele Samson musician come UK. That is human trafficking. That's business. And if you don't say, let me say this and share this video, make it reach everybody for Europe, Canada, and America. If you don't say that Destiny carry you come abroad and you they pay person, maybe in traffic you come hand over you give person. Or you can negotiate, you can say Simon you pay. And you are still paying, reach out to me. You know will pay again. I know disturb you again. Oba of Benin don't stop human trafficking. And those state government other OBAZEE stop them. And the global world they frown at them because now modern day slavery. If your paperwork they okay, aside the visa fee, don't get any other money where UK will charge you. So Destiny, whoever is advising you is not your friend. Like I tell people, if you dey follow Ebo Stone, you must be senseless. Because the period where we take waka, I was almost turning goat. And God that saved me. I see Destiny rolling with this element, this character. I just pity him. So let's go straight to Destiny's business conversation. Now, the group when I create, I go tell them today say, Destiny lawyer don't write me for UK. So people when I fight for, when Destiny don't return their money. So I drop off on the group. What did they suit me be say? You know, say when you fight for some people, if the fight give you problem, they go withdraw. We have cowards. But thank God, these 3 women will not send message for you, so they are not cowards. One of them even talk, say, she will fly, come meet me for this UK. So Destiny, buy tickets. You have a valid visa, come UK. Hello?
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 Hello, I hear you. No, I'm not even, you know, bros, in as much as I am not a fan of Destiny. No, bros,
Whatever you want to,
bros.
whatever you want to do, be in your mind.
No, bros. You know why I they give them this preamble, or which word I want to use? I don't get bad mind.
That's it. Exactly. I know.
If not, honestly, why they talk so.
The way you take these people, they are not taking you like that.
Yes, but now why I will always defeat them. Don't worry. Now why I will always defeat them. Don't worry. Hello.
So I want the next week you our break. And you call break.
Really?
Emma, so my brother. Oh, I broke what in there. Okay, if you can job break.
I've been flagging a video, man. Wait for the watch on YouTube or Facebook?
Facebook.
Okay, let me try again.
Yes.
I beg, in a break from our side, yes or no, please. I know YouTube is okay. Okay, make I drop the YouTube link for this Facebook. Make una y'all go YouTube. Cause I don't know what they do Facebook today. Let me just drop the YouTube link here. I only like to talk. I go dey. Hello, bro.
The boss of the crowd team.
I greet you. How yourself?
Watch your live on your video live screen. The sees.
It is eh? Oh, see, that's true too. See Facebook.
It sees.
Go YouTube now. Go I drop the link for comments.
No, YouTube this stable.
I go to YouTube now. Go to YouTube now. Hello, bro.
The boss of the crowd team.
See, I just pin the YouTube link. Just click and you'll carry you go there. I beg. Please move to YouTube. YouTube is fine, I beg, because after now, the link is here. If Facebook they worry you, go YouTube. After now, if you tell me say bad network on YouTube, I don't mind you. Because for Facebook, I don't mind because YouTube is stable. So somebody will come here, they say what I will do, make I not talk am. But you know why they talk am, So that as they show me true wickedness, when waiting they plan, even when they plan against me, begin bonded. Nobody go talk say about not try or about wicked. So why defending? I'm going to defend myself. I swear. Here, I'm going to use the law to defend myself. So make I play the voice note when some of my people, when Destiny don't pay, when they drop. Now make I start with the one where received money yesterday. So, listen.
People should congratulate me. He has paid me my remaining. I greet the house, so now good evening. My brothers and sisters, my daddy and my mommies in the house. So, you people should congratulate me. He has paid me my remaining balance. So, he has paid me my money. I'm so happy. May God continue to bless our daddy in the house. About OBAZEE, God will bless you, sir. God will bless you and your family. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. If not for you, this money, I just thank God for life. Thank you.
So everybody now our group be this. So that's why if I did fight for you, I will add you join this group. This is our testimony group. Testimony group. Testimony group. So as I update my people when I help drop money, say Destiny lawyer don't write me. Oh, I am never scared. Just that I know they like go waste time because it go consume money, it will consume time. So it's better I just call you out and you're going to return the money quietly. It's not better than we call it go court. But if you reach court, I go defend myself. So this is the message I sent to them. My brothers and sisters, I greet you now. Congratulations, everyone. You have all received your money from Destiny Ebagua, the visa fraudster. This afternoon, I received a letter from a lawyer. He said he's representing Destiny Ebagua. So they are threatening to take me to court that if I don't delete all the videos I have done against Destiny, that I'm falsely accusing him. In the letter, the lawyer said Destiny has not scammed anybody before. He's a good name businessman, he's this or that. And if I don't delete all the video in the next 3 days, they are going to proceed with court action. So I said, like I give you an update, fighting for people. The way they bring all this kind of matter. So this is what Destiny and his gang are planning. So what do you guys think? So, we are family in the group. We are all one. An injury to one is an injury to all. So one of them be this. Her name is Queen.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. They not get level. Which one be? I don't know as I want to put time at all. They decrease. They don't say that Destiny go day or our life. They say maybe we continue. As far as say he don't pay, make he just shut up, make he enter inside house, make he go sleep because he not get shame. Destiny not know what thing that they call shame. One single shame not dey that guy face. Which one? What you talk? Every proof there now. People when he pay at the head, he not pay us. He pay everybody back. So which one because say he not scam people? Carry person money for more than 1 year plus, 2 years plus. I wish not be you when come out, come they use and take the so yeah, go and pay people's money, go and pay. Destiny not ready to pay money. So make Destiny just shut up. Make the lawyer as well shut up. They not get what they'll fit to you. Because proof they. If they say make people come court, so okay, may you go. I did there. I feel buy ticket, come. So that threat, but if they won't beg, may they come direct, beg you, not before them to they threaten you. May they beg you, so okay, may not settle the differences. Okay, fine. Since Destiny don't pay people way in the hole now, yeah, not they make sure your name again, let them be. Not be the one that will come they threaten you. Are they mad?
Hello, Albert. I just saw your message and I will get back to you. Let me talk to my lawyer. We are going to sue him, not him suing you, because the $7,000 he took from me for 1 year, I know how much interest that will incur. So he cannot play smart at us. So I will get back to you. Let me talk to my lawyer. Let's gather all information. Then we take it from there. We just want to say we are all Benin. Let us keep quiet. If you want to say he's smart, then we will do it in his way. Okay, I will get back to you. Thank you.
Got a second person, Mama Eddie. The right never said they are all the same, they work and they busy.
Hello, Epa. Good evening. At least everybody have proof now for collecting the money. At least somebody that collected money from you since 2021. 2021 now. So is it not fraud? Is it genuine? So at least that one is not an issue now. I'll still ask my lawyers some questions. That means he's taking all of us to court now. That's it.
Hello, Mr. Albert.
I greet you, sir.
Yeah, good evening. How are your family?
We thank God. You just speak out.
Okay, I just want to contribute small thing, you understand?
All right, go ahead.
At the end your live video, see the same way you delete the video where you make about Destiny.
Yes.
Yeah, it's little issue. If your wife Esther deletes the music when you sing for your mother, sorry to use that word, then you will delete the video when you make it better. Or the message you get proof.
Even if Esther delete, I know delete her. Don't worry yourself, bros.
That's what I'm saying. For that, it's a little way for you to hold them because Esther will generate money from that music that she made, and you too, and you are saying the fact, and you have proof about it. So Esther should go and, because your mother and Esther are not age mates.
This will not concern my mama. So it's on a pure visa level. Not concern my mama at all. No, you worry yourself.
So that was just my little contribution.
Okay, thank you. Now let's go straight to Otasowe matter. Destiny, I'm giving you the next 24 hours to pay this guy money. This one, I'm going to use my money to the petition. Okay, now because they do it for Benin, now why you see me finish? Don't worry. Now, make una hear story. The guy send me story, tell me everything. I said no. When I hear, oh, okay.
Hello?
Hello, boss.
Nami Cambodia. You there on live?
I didn't live.
That mean people I said yes, the one carry go. That mean I want to meet the live for you.
Oh yeah, talk now. We there, yeah. Cambodia.
Okay. If we be say all this while we don't want to talk, we get reason why we don't want to talk.
Yes.
Destiny now my friend, now my brother. But my own case now since 2019.
Can you imagine?
Has not been now. So whoever they advise them, me advise them where, and me no one care if anybody want to call me. If anybody call me, the person going to get very, very bad response from me because as I quiet since 2019, I get this why I quiet. It's not only Destiny, it's Destiny and JJ Barry. Because JJ Barry say Destiny don't give her money. Destiny say JJ Barry all the money. But you see me now, I have never talked since. But if you fucking talk about court case, they don't understand say people they will say they don't want to talk. We don't want to just talk anything because we just feel we are all from Benin.
Okay.
So if you talk about court case, maybe the lawyer himself they wait for people that call say we get our own proof. I get my own proof. I just record everything from my phone, so I get my own proof. So we quiet and call say maybe I don't feel cause some person they say I just cheat and I cheat. So I know just like me person just take me for granted. So me that lawyer just keep him mouth shut. Me they just take me settle this matter out of social media. It should be better. They should just tell you to just calm down. Because me, I don't feel tell you my friend, I don't feel tell you say you don't do your work. But me, they don't talk about court case. If they try, everybody go hear from everybody.
Thank you, Ambassador Judwewe, Cambodia Lord. Where's he?
I agree to you. There.
This is Cambodia Lord. He just call us now from Canada, Toronto, Canada. Now one of the people where Destiny be almost destroy document with this. Now God. Now God, I talk and say, this guy will still travel. Now one of the person with Destiny be don't destroy documents. So let us address this issue of Otasowe. I beg in case no one calling, it must be my Nigeria WhatsApp number. And they use the other two phones stream. And make sure that your contribution not pass 3 minutes. Maximum 3 minutes. Massimo. Oh. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hey, Abba.
It's all.
Hello.
I hear you.
Yes, calling from Missouri. You hear me?
Yes.
No follow all these guys where they say them get evidence, say them go support you for court. Forget those people. If you are conversant with defamation law, the people where you rely on say they will come up for you, say they will come bear witness. They still disappoint you.
Okay, now where you know reach, now you dey talk, so now there you know reach.
Make I tell you something. You don't have the 100% wisdom. I suggest something.
No, I said now where you know reach now. We don't get time for you. Talk when you're strong. Court say WhatsApp conversation is admissible as evidence in court. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Albert.
I salute you.
Good evening, brother.
I greet you.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling from my team.
All right, go.
Mr. Destiny, my dear brother. I want to advise you any. I want to get gravy. And I want to advise you, my dear brother. Second, because my your man have advice you. They can Nigeria will be up. First of all, Nigeria will be up. Your man advice you. Be advice now. What you try to bury? Why in Maya? Because no, why are we in Maya? No, you go. Deny Maya. The man no yasu no, my brother. The man no yasu we buy. The man just pay. I will advise you. Bring out your ego. I just come down with Wahala. Otherwise, you will regret it. I'm telling you the truth. The lawyer already go. You're going to say, "Oh, she already got." No, of fact, how you let come out now? Advance yourself. You are big enough to advance yourself. This case, my brother, Eddie, brother, I said maybe all know you're checking you up, but you have your enemy. So the matter don't have your gilly. Don't have your gilly. I'm telling you, I'm going to come out now. Yeah, you know, you're checking you so that you have your so the man show you have your name, there's no like the witness in our work.
Oh, you almost to yo. Omala yo mo hisu ye. Omala yo.
I was building a yawa. Work. I want at least that would be better. Because
am I a coward?
how can you be so very insensitive? The big case in area. Come on, in the trace area. I don't get it.
Thank you. Let's see. Let's see how
it goes.
All right, no wahala. Ovia da. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I greet you, sir.
Abia. Afana.
I did find you. Oh, yes, sir. Double.
Hello. Abbas, oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, I did life for you. Want to contribute?
Oh, your man, ma, no, a minute, you know.
All right, sir. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Now.
Hello.
Kuyo. Hello. Kuyo.
Talk. Will they hear you?
He watch you live on YouTube. So, I mean, the only what I will, Oman or only no me a dog man of a life now. If not working now with life, also no follow it up.
Yes.
Religiously. So me my beg you pan when I will be done.
Now use pidgin because of other people. Use pidgin because Okpemo officially they watch us.
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that anything you want to do in life, be very straightforward.
Yes.
And do your things religiously so that Osalobua, God Almighty, that is watching all of us, will also bless you. The Then we swap away beg no way moving that way. So my beg anywhere, I have not seen anywhere you wronged anybody. The money you are even fighting to return, they are not coming to you. You're only fighting for people's that are not able to meet up to the demands of life. So you're only fighting for a lot of people, and which no one has even come out to say about on a percentage in on a new. So then we are going to weapon. Although you read the group where the Oma will be suffered to me, but the fight you fight for Benin's. God Almighty will always stay behind you and your family in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So anybody that is trying to go and disturb Baba at home, disturbing Baba and Mommy at home, God Almighty will continue to disturb them and their family in Jesus' name. Continue to fight, and by the grace of God, we are all with you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
God will continue to bless your ways.
Thank you, sir. Thank
God
you, sir.
take care. Even encourage you.
All right, thank you.
This is the kind of.
Hello?
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 Yes.
Come on, sir.
I greet you.
Hello?
Where are you?
Can you hear me? 1 minute.
Yes.
I'm calling from IT.
Okay, go ahead. IT, that's Italy, Abi.
Yeah.
What for? Go talk to us.
Okay. Destiny, I don't know. You're a good advisor. Because that was 2023.
Please use a pigeon. Use pigeon.
Oh, Simon, but the Destiny me 4 million.
Use pigeon. Use pigeon.
Travel.
Use pigeon.
Then which Destiny the girl 4 million and through a boyfriend there. Then the girl when you okay. So the girl say, may I drive her? May she go collect that is a passport from Destiny. We went there and Destiny asked us to wait in this police station in Ajib Junction. When Destiny come, if you see like 3 more giant people when you carry follow, but even me say if I not going even talk. The girl say, okay, you don't need that money again, you need that passport. Now so Destiny they shout for the girl. Now she they hold the girl money. Now they hold the girl money. They shout. Me I also can't go high for one place. They say she. Now this kind of people not give money. As me and you they talk. The girl can't go declare that her passport say he lost. Can't do another passport. As we they talk. So now the girl can't say move. As we they talk passport and money. Destiny marry no year.
How much?
So she's
how much?
You want to go sue you say I don't know. He not get advisor.
How much be the money? How much
4
be the
million, 4 million.
4 million.
The guy say if I give him 3. He said later. He can't say he don't start the process, say they need extra 1. The guy say he can't send her 1 million.
Which year?
Even when this case they grant, I even called the girl. Yeah. Even as this as I see your video, live video and everything, I even contact the girl. So as everything they hot now. Follow up. Oh. He said the problem, he said, that was 2023.
All right, go ahead.
So I can't go back and say the girl say, see what they go on, may use opportunity to follow up. The girl say, no, they're not Nigerian. Even if you know, they but you follow. The girl say they fear many, you know, all those kind of things. So the girl, even they fear, that person collect money, now they still they threaten.
Now, listen, Wait. Allow me talk. You don't hear me?
Okay. Yeah, very well, clearly.
Now, tell the girl, say, as far as I, Albert, OBAZEE, Azua, say, as far as I dey breathe, say, I dey alive, Destiny no fit slap anybody wey collect money from for Benin. Only slap, not us, they can't go beat the person family. Even
send your anytime you take do life, I they send that gift girl.
You see
say,
that? See, wait. Tell the girl, make she contact me with all her evidence. Out of the 6 people when I collect money, out of the 6 people when I collect money from where Destiny pay so. Now only 3 now in Nigeria. The remaining 3, the remaining 4 that they abroad.
Okay.
You see all those people when Destiny carry come. You see all those people when Destiny carry follow body come. He use a content intimidate to no level. The boy where arrest Destiny. Destiny can't go station, he twist the case. Now from here that we call commissioner of police. They almost lock Destiny up. The next never 4 days, Destiny go pay the guy money 5 million. So relax. Yeah, relax. Tell your friend. Please contact me. Thank you. Oh, let me talk. So, hello?
Hello.
I greet you.
The great Azua International.
I salute you.
I greet you, my brother. Yes, I want like contribute a little to this your program.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes. What I want to say here, bro, I just want, if Destiny, if they are watching you and the lawyer is watching, I just want to try to tell them,
yes,
they should go and withdraw, they should apologize to you and withdraw their case.
Okay.
Because the case they are bringing up now, they are going to involve a lot of people.
Yes.
And this case is not taken. They should go well and ask questions. This is abroad. This is not Nigeria where you buy judges. You don't buy judges here. There's someone you know. You don't buy judges. They should go and listen and ask questions. That lawyer, I don't know if that lawyer, I don't know the portion of the law he read that is suing you on. By the time this case starts now, you find out that it will involve a lot of people. Even the people that they told themselves they are already in abroad, that those people brought, is going to affect many of them if they don't know. If they don't know, they should know. They should know. Even those their wife, brother, sister, anyone that have passed through them before. That is how the judiciary you are just trying to fight for people, and which the people in diaspora, those people that is living there, they are not aware of it. They are aware, and those people, and they are returning back the money. Please, you just say it's 3 minutes. Please, if the lawyer is listening, if he is watching, they better do the needful and apologize to you and withdraw the case. That is just it.
A written apology, a written in letter. The way they take to where yeah. That's what they say. Right?
Yes. You can even though this one, the one person was trying to say just now, you can handle this case. Oh, you know, I feel this is a case that have proof. And the one you are still piling up, again. You forget the way there are some of your case, no work with EFCC and the NAP. You forget all those things there. So the world is a global place, and you can connect everywhere at the same time. So please, OBAZEE, my brother, because to get money is not easy.
Yes.
To get money is not easy. It's not easy. Thank you very much. Yeah, where as he is so okay, or me you understand? You are collecting money from people. Now it's time you see Gaza.
Yes.
You want to tell me somebody you collected a 15 million from? 15 million where you submit a document in the reject of money. We have to face reality in the whatsoever thing we are doing. They are just joking themselves and running up and down. When I let those states, you know, where judiciary there. On is that Betty, beyond your and a sakasa now with the reverse. On a week,
I tell you.
The thing that is how the Ebague. There are some cases where you don't even need to go to court.
I tell you.
A lawyer file with the act. I think I understand. The lawyer will file it with the act. A judge to boy, the judge knows why in Nigeria now where I swear dump this thing. We're not able to. Why are you there? You have to interpret that result and check after accepting them. You have to check it and check and balance. So, uvunya day now a judgment in your give the dofi where the judge uvun, and it's going to affect many people, and it's going to affect their industry. It's going to affect them seriously. They should gather themselves.
Mama, ni agbeka. Mama, ni agbeka. Albert.
They should sit down together. They should sit down together. They should sit down together and plead with you. Pleading with you does not mean that I pay your money. Pleading with you, we tell okay, we will be taking this thing.
God bless you. God bless you.
Me that is talking to you now, I have submitted for more than 4 before I got. You understand? So you don't collect a huge amount for people like that. Sometimes 300 army. Then we also tell you, and upon this thing they are collecting, and then the one with submission, now your pocket for the pay visa for you. Upon all the one they are collecting.
Yes.
So what are they taking? We have experience of all these things. Even the lawyer that is writing you there. It will be Nigeria here, be seriously here.
Relax. Cool. They try me.
Oh, my brother, we are all a do. Oh, I damn it, you know, the social media. Oh, we do my hair. The rest you apologize in the written no time. Hi, we're telling you, and wait before the young to be able to be ginger. A boy case in your feet would ever we are with dog, can't feel very well.
One will what giant way, and so was it one for
because most of him are only here. So fortunately that him and all the PDB here, APC here, they are too dull. Dog.
All right, bros. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So, please, all calls pause. I want to play voice notes. After I play the voice note, I'll tell when I'm going to start the call again. Because this matter now, not be only me going to do talking again. Now, she wouldn't yesterday loot my equipment for Benin. I never want to go outside. Make police and my staff when I leave for office, make them do their work. I don't make it weigh me down. You understand? So I don't make come because of my own. Say, yeah, but do the video or my video. You understand? So no calls from now. All calls pause. All calls pause. All calls pause. Let's hear from Otaso where he can't send me this now.
Okay, boss. God bless you.
So what he said to me
on the 4th of April last year, 2024. Emanami Destiny online where our avatars omorege where omorege with Facebook omorege they go me visa where they go your passport where omorege.
Now the video now face online the Esther and Destiny they do adverts. So now why it's easy now for us to stop them via this same platform? If they were not doing social media adverts, I thought not they do this one. What we all are doing here is to sensitize the world that this guy is not real. He doesn't have a travel agency. He's a visa fraudster. And I told you, I said, use Benin to talk to me. Use a PG, not Benin.
Use Pidgin English, or all this what you say, so I don't know if you use use Pidgin English, explain everything that because I'm wearing a do so I see every online. Maybe you pay and pay away. Use Pidgin English, don't use BD.
Okay, no Wahala, boss. Or money wow. What's okay?
What I hear?
Destiny Ebagua. This is my story about this is not my story. Between me and Ebagua, I take me time. Destiny Ebagua advertised himself, he and Esther, by the way they advertise themselves on Facebook. So I meet Destiny on the 4th of April 2024. Now they meet Destiny. Meanwhile, I see the advert we do online concerning Omorege. I saying to give Omorege visa. How many days? Say people criticize Omorege, say you know go fit go abroad. They can't do it for them. So that thing come give me ginger. Then my sister come call me. Say, see me, I give you a Ebagua number. My sister come give me a Ebagua number. Then meanwhile, my sister don't talk to them. He said down a small tea for them. May I come my house. So on the 4th of April, now I call Ebagua in the morning around 7 a.m. Ebagua comes to make I meet him up by 9 a.m. for his house. So he just did exactly 9 a.m. I did Ebagua Domot for Country Road. In fact, Country Road, yes. So I see with Ebagua finish that very day. He entertained me into his house. So we sit down. He can't narrate anything they do to me. Say in the carry people to abroad through music. So as much as one go play where they carry the going go, I sign those passengers alongside with them. I say okay. So I can't ask. I say how much you take they do? He say now 10 million naira. I go pay. And I say 10 million naira too much. He say well, because say my sister don't call her, my sister don't inform, we go collect 8 million naira. I can't say okay. I come be they played with her. Say I will give him 6 million. He say no. So that's okay. What to do? Based on say me, I need them because I don't feel travel. So I can say okay. How will go take do am? He can say make I go transfer money today. Make I dey dance up and down say I don't reach abroad. As I don't enter in parlor, I don't reach abroad.
JD, are you okay? Okay. Do you want something? Okay. And my friend saw they parlor.
Now, sir, are you sure? Now, sir, I don't meet people like this before. Now, story that they tell me. He said he not be those people. He named that Destiny Ebagua. He they carry people to abroad anywhere for anywhere. Make a name anywhere when I want to make a name man. He said no embassy will not know them. He said they are well recognized in all embassy. So then they get be ready.
What is that? Impersonation. Embassy no fee register you as a travel agent. Then you come they ask people for 12 million for a visiting visa. It's not possible. Then how many of you watch that Eguasa? When the Omorege? How many of you, if you saw that video, just type yes. If you don't say you watch that video where you call it just say they give Omorege visa, nobody can be not believe. Say go get visa. Type drop yes. If you don't say you see him, you see that video when you do that advert. Drop pan, type pan. I tell this person say wait, maybe this your matter reach 1 year before I go talk put. 4th of April last year. What is today's date? It don't pass 1 year.
Register people, register when no traveling agent. I say okay. Now I come out and say, what if something went wrong? The money will be refunded. He say yes. He say if they know Amade Gazari Gaza, that is how he say it in our Benin language. So I can't say okay, no problem. So he can't pressure me that very day. Make I send money. Now maybe the last person. If I don't send money, now it don't finish. That's I won't go reason this thing. He said, no, wait till the reason. I don't reach the house. So in a person they chop person money, in gets you working here, they use to help people. They want to use and help me. That's okay. I can call my sister for a present. Tell her and say, see, my sister can speak with her. So okay, I say, be like this. What to do? Make me know what to do now. So it's all over to me. Now, don't give me a bag or number. Since I write your wife say today, tomorrow, make I wait. Now I don't say bag or face to face. So make I take decision on my own. So now I can come out. He can give me account. Also give me send me account number. I can't say I can't for my accounting the following say I go send her the money. But he said no. If I don't send her that money that very day. Now from my house, as I just come up from a house, now you go bank, GT Bank. I transfer the money into Ebagua account, Stanbic Bank. So now I transfer the money into on the 4th of April. So that same day, now I can promise and say, no worry, I go send the remaining 2 million naira by 5th of May 2024. So, and he constantly promised me, say, make I not your worry. Within 3 months, I don't do London. Within 3 months, I don't they talk for Europe. Say they do it for people self. They do it for people. Many people don't do it for. Where they say no, if we go abroad, me no see him. And I say yes, I see him. So that thing that motivate me. So that make me come. So now I can say, me I go to play. If I know they play before, if I know the rock life, me I know the rock life they play, they go. Say I don't go abroad. Me I no worry no more. I say okay. Now I go house. Then when I transfer the money from finish, before I leave bank, I send them the payment slip, the transfer slip. I can't send down to RAM. I take pay to RAM. So now you can say, okay, don't see him. Then when it come day on the 5th, when it come day May 1st, I want to send that money on the May 1st. I said, no, make I see sleep over this thing. Me, I see whether anything will come up. I don't tell me return my money immediately. So when it comes on the 3rd, I come and I say, no need. Since I get the money, I don't get the money to pay and fully bet. I spend the money to know whether anything will come up, whether na 419 bill, make I know. But I can't reason now. When I reason, I say, okay. It never reached on the 5th. When I promise her, I can't send the money to her. On the 5th of May, 2024, now I send the second money, making it 4 million naira. When I send to Destiny Ebagua account. Then when I send that money to her, I can't call and say, Alpha, you don't see money when I send to you. He say, he never see him. Then go say, I can't say, okay. I can't do what say, why my money not go? I can't check my account. The money don't already go. Then we can't day towards the next day. Now I can't write and say, you don't see the money. Say, yes, you don't see the money. That's okay. How? He say, make I no worry. Work don't begin. Now go call me when everything does. I can't say, okay. Say, I seen tell me before, say, now 3 months, I don't come up for this country. Me at the counter. June, July, I not in this country again. That's okay. No problem. June, July, not in Nigeria. He say yes. I say no problem. So from that May, I not call him again. Till June end, the other day June end, I call him. Say, I don't hear anything from you. I know you say your document already, your CS don't come out to can't go for biometric, can't go do whatever interview. I don't hear anything. I can't call him. He say, which they may give her money. Which they may give her money, when me just the worry like this. Me know people don't pay give her money. I say, but you don't tell me all this nonsense where they tell me now. The way they approach me rudely, approach me like this the first day. You just talk amicably like a responsible someone. But now you the open wide for me for top of my money. So we can't get some exchange of words that very day. I can't end the call. I can't call her back after 1 week, which was the last week of June. He can't say, tell me, say yes. Now he tell me June, July, make I relax. Make I relax. Which they give her money. Because repeat the word, which they give her money. They disturb her like this. Say people don't get money since last year. People work their hands since last year. And I say, that means you don't collect money for some people for over a year plus 2023, and you don't let me know. You see, that not be my business. That's okay, very good. I can't relax. Then when July I can't see rich, I can't call and say, how far now July we did, so the more to tell me. One don't fair pass, this is not the second one. What did they happen? He said, make I wait. Make I just relax. I said, but you travel, go Europe. You they do tour, they go, say, and then, if you travel, go Europe, that means saying business, no, they go on. Not be online that they control everything, not be phone that they control everything. I can't see rest. He can't tell me, say, when he can't come back for Europe, tour where then go, now I can call and say, how far you don't come back, I go be, say, make I just relax. By August, my CS will come at August ending. Now I can come and say, see what he talk. But not be so he tell us from the beginning. He said 3 months, I don't day UK. 3 months, everything done ready, I don't day UK. But me, I go ready money down. I say, okay. I can't call my sister again. Say, see what he tell me. Now I say, okay, no problem. More you give anti-mortem. Say your CS before now we can't give anti-mortem. The August ending. I can't call her. Say how far? He say yes. He say my CS don't come out. That's okay. What is the next level? He say, make we wait. As soon as they come, make we wait. They'll give us appointment. They'll go for biometry. And by September, I can't wait. We can't endure. Meanwhile, don't they go 6 months? Meanwhile, before I can't endure this time. Now I remember, saying 3 months you tell me, say I don't do this country. Now make me give you money. Me, I know the sense say this thing a game. He said, no, I go play people, ain't get work. Me, I not to say that my money until they leave. Destiny don't they shout, don't they insult me. Say, me just they talk to them anyhow. Yeah, me to say that me they think say that my money until they leave. He say, ain't get work, ain't get job. Now I say, I don't see so many people tell me all this kind of thing. At the end of the day, they thief my money. You know, at the end of the day, story where they tell me no be can be. Really, they are living on our money. So now I can't end the call. When I reach month ending, I never call her 2 days to month ending, August ending. I can't see flyer from JJ Barry Facebook account, in Harvard account. When I see the flyer November 14th, I go say this is not the show where we they go for. The Edo Festival Award and the ceremony, 14th edition. Now I say this now the waiting we they go for. This now the flyer. What would they go for? Why they can't shift them? But I know before that this thing as summertime they do June, July. So why they can't shift them to November? So I can't call my sister. That means I can't tell me say, is she herself see her? Say she's surprised. That's okay. Wait till we go to make I call Destiny. I call Destiny say, see.
But I don't want to make me laugh. From the beginning, he tell this guy, make this guy go to enjoy the goal. Oh, that's so good when they say we go enjoy. Oh, that's so we don't get peace again. Yeah, but you say that time that's how we are going to go club. The ball. You go down there with the as you say, man, UK in this so UK like they go so. You know, guy with sports of a Washa war, but for maybe also if they ever go bust the whole self. Yeah, we have you also say this is a good enjoy. Now this morning that they bribe all this illiterate way for abroad. They may Franco memoir. Yeah, or you go Guyano or so the Destiny and Saga way. They use people sweat, had them money. They bribe people when they do saga. But me, I fry them all. As well.
Make I relax first. Now I relax. Say don't tell me everything they go on. That's okay. That's a bit. Now 3 months you tell me. Now I don't they enjoy to 6 months. So now I can enjoy. Go and call. Really, August, that COS can't come out. When that COS come out, it can't come. No, I mean, it won't come out. It just if around September, first week of September, I can say him, self don't post the flyer for his WhatsApp status. Now I can say, flyer don't come out. Why it can't be so? I say, now where go for put and then they schedule. It can't tell me what kind of story. Now I say, Bagua, but this not be with me and you agree on. This journey, I don't sense a foul play day. Not be waiting me and you agree on. You tell me 3 months. From 3 months, I can't do to 6 months. 6 months and you still shift the flyer to November. This was in an agreement. And besides, before I give you this money, I usher my property. If I give you this money, I want to hear story. You say, I don't go hear story. Wish how much I give them. Change when I give them until they worry am. My money not change. So we can't get argument. We can't quarrel over it. The way they September, I call and say, he never reach one will take get appointment. He say, I don't know your word appointment come out. Really, appointment come out. When appointment come out, man was the last. I don't worry. We can't go for biometry. We go for biometry that same September. When we come back, I can't send all the information, go give her. Before we go that biometry, he can't send me the agent name. Agent name na Adiza. Now Adiza they do everything.
I need to pick this call. Sorry guys. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Double, sir. If I agree to you, double. Or why I say double, sir. If you don't lead, me, I would they do live stream now, sir, but I also true. Okay, may I call you back when I true? Oh, okay, I'll call you back. I know the place. Okay. And my chairman, no, they my city. I don't even know.
Thing. All the form and online now, these are the doing. So I can't have to call Adiza and say, Adiza, I need to send us everything, this I will go. But now, see, now Adiza can say, mo go pay our visa fee, mo send our visa fee. Adiza can send all the information, accounts, we will send the visa fee put. When I can calculate this visa fee money, everything was 788,000 naira. Both the Korea of everything. Now I can call Destiny and say, I don't understand what Adiza send me. How visa fee and Korea go be 788,000 naira? Destiny don't start to talk to me anyhow. They talk rubbish. So say me we don't fit travel. I mean they ask all this kind of question because they talk different thing. Now I can't quiet. I don't follow and talk. He say my friend, go and pay your money, go and pay your visa fee, go and pay your visa fee and get your visa and pay me my balance money. Not last your balance will not be my problem. But I see this my spirit.
Oh.
They tell me say this thing is not real. This thing is not real. Something is going on. So now I can call my star, explain to my son, my star, okay, what you go do? Just go bank, go pay the money. Now I go back that same day. I can't go pay the money for that September. I can't transfer the money. The account where Ebagua sent for me, which was this account. Ebagua don't send me an account now. He can't send me this the agent where they use for Lagos. He can't send me the lady account. I can't transfer the money, give the lady. Transfer the money, give the lady finish. I can't send the receipt when I take transfer the visa money, 788,000 naira. I can't send the receipt, go give the lady. She send the receipt, go give Ebagua. So from there, Ebagua come tell me say, mo no worry if we reach Lagos. So go everything. We'll see everything. The document where we need to submit, they'll give us. I can't say okay. So meanwhile, all the other informations where they send give us concerning our application and forms. So I print all of them. Before I go Lagos, I print all of them out. Can I follow body? We reach Lagos, September, we can't go for appointments. We can't go for our biometry. They shift them back. Supposed to be 28, but later they shift it back. It can be on the 18th of September. Now we go for biometry. We go for biometry, finish, you put in. We come out successfully. Now I call and say, we don't come out successful, everything goes okay. Our application forms stay with us. So we'll go wait for them. They'll call us. Anything will come up, any update, they go let us know. Really, we can't go back home. It did 1 week after. Then the following week, that they can call us, say, they never call us. Now the Adiza send us our appointment interview, appointment dates. So that's we get interview, say yes, interview follow, I can say okay, no problem. We can't wait for the day of interview. 2 weeks to the date of interview. Just a week to for us to go interview. We can't hear say that they cancel all the whole interview. Why? What happened? Why did they cancel all the whole interview? I can't call Adiza. Adiza says she don't know why they cancel the whole interview. Ebagua say no, say that they cancel the whole interview. Don't know the reason why they cancel her. So we can't wait to everybody call each other. Now I can call a daily chance here. We need to see no, the daily chance can call me say people who they in group we want follow.
Now I don't come.
We they under in band. We need to see, can go see. When we see, we can hear say that they cancel other people interview. The interview date, they cancel them. So the daily chance call me after we don't see each other, we don't go back home. Come say even your son, they cancel and say your son, they see they go say yes. So, and so the city come up. All of us come day very vigilant. Then the other boy, when we get to Lagos, the other boy within my group, I call interview and say, how far? This guy, I'm not telling me, and the guy come tell me, since January also, they give Destiny Ebagua money. Ebagua tell them 3 months. Ebagua, they tell each and everybody 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. They don't reach abroad. 3 months, they don't reach Italy. 3 months, they don't reach so place. But our own was United Kingdom, UK, London. Now, tell us, say we they go. Say, now 3 months. The same 3 months we tell me, now I tell the boy we see them my group, which is FA, or do now. When I go interview, so 3 months, they say by May, they know the country. Now say yes, that by that road, a very expensive birthday for his wife. Now they begin suspect, say, now I'm only say they do all these philanthropies life where they live. So I call the mount pressure. I know they give them space. I they follow them back to back online with my account. I they observe everything where they do. So I can follow them up gradually. Thing can't get to a point. I sleep, I wake up, I see this thing is not clear for my eye, for my dream. I have to call my spiritual father, which is a pastor. He can't tell me, say, this thing, it will get Lego. The way they seem like these people know they tell us truth. So in day 22, my interview was supposed to be 22. In day was supposed to be 21. The other boy, they sent 22. He go before me in the morning. It just did 3 days too. Now we hear say they don't cancel our own too. We call they make call, they call Ebagua, they call them. Ebagua say no. The agent say no. Say they go send them, they write them. That's what they do and throughout October. October can't finish, no interview, nothing. Now I can't write and say, I can't write it, they say, the date we go the show don't near. No calling back, nothing whether they give us visa. Not knowing that this woman, Swift Embassy, the immigration in UK, don't write this woman a message. Write this woman what is behind it, the reason why they cancel that thing. But the woman says she don't know anything. We can't rest because we don't get proof as at then. As we rest, now we can't move. We can't pray, they do our prayer. Then when you reach